Hi guys, here's a quick video and updates on our cabinets, the exterior of the home, choosing paint colors, which is no fun, our wainscoting, and our light fixtures, and our tray ceilings, and some tile.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
We stopped in at Cabinets by Collier a couple of times to see the progress of the cabinets. They're looking really good.
Oh, here we are at Collier Cabinetry, and we're seeing some of our pieces.
Go.
Here's some trim molding.
Here's a tray.
Oh yeah, that's tray base.
Color differences in.
All right.
That's your rustic alder.
Yeah. Up a little bit.
That looks pretty.
How about this side? Maybe a little bit on this
Oh,
side.
I know why. That's.
That's going to be the hall bath. That is part of our bath. And then on either side of the fireplace, it's going to be one of these. That's a lot of storage. Well, let's see. Got the little shed roofs on here. Oh yeah. It's a busy looking house.
A little busy, isn't it?
Well, when they put the black metal on there, that'll tone it down. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think, Eddie? What you think, Eddie?
Oh, I like it.
Good answer.
35 years of experience on that.
Yeah. You got a lot of rodeo time,
I
huh?
like that. No, it does look good. I like the smaller columns too, and the trim out around the bottom and top.
Got our garage door put on. That'll be painted that iron ore as well. Moving along. I got trim and doors.
Be careful, okay?
Yep. Ooh. Oh man. Here's what the wainscoting's gonna be. I think that'll look cool. Oh, they got the wainscoting done on both sides of the foyer. It looks good. We were thinking about leaving this natural up here, but we are going to go ahead and paint it white because we're going to have natural wood flooring, natural wood cases. It's going to be natural wood outside here on the porch ceiling. So I got natural wood furniture. We figured the white will keep it clean and bright. Plus you're going to have the beams, the wooden beams up there too. Plus all the wooden cabinetry in the kitchen. Trying to look at the different colors on here with a little bit more light from the front guest room window. Let me turn this around because that bottom right one is the one that's on here now. But I'm thinking going a little bit darker now that I see it. Of course, this isn't, the trim isn't white yet. That's just, how it comes from the store. I've been staring at paint chips on my walls in the houseboat for several weeks now. And they're so close, but yet different times of the day, they all look different. Well, we're getting all the lights done today. Got the side lights on. Well, let's see what we got in the pile here. Ooh, they did a drop off here. This is our tile for the floor in our bathroom. And this is the tile for the back of the shower, like a charcoal color. That's the tile for the walls of the shower, except for the back wall. And this is going to be for the waterfall and floor of the shower. And trying to choose carpeting as well. Let's see.
I think the length of that light is fine.
The length of the, oh, they did the foyer? Got one of them done. That looks nice. I like those.
Mm-hmm.
And we got fan in the guest room put in. Let's see, we got been marking the spots in the ceiling where the can lights are going to go. That's a light that goes outside. Let's see what else we got.
Yeah.
There's Dave's light. They have to hang. And then there's this one for the bedroom and also for the living room. How long do you think it's going to take us to figure out what all these go to?
Oh, forever and a day? Give you a rough idea. Man, it's up here, isn't it? Okay, sure.
Well, that's going to look cool. Oh, night lights. Well, there's Dave's chandelier. Okay, nice. Let's see with the night light on. Oh, isn't that cool? All right, let's check out the pantry. It has a sensor. Ooh, it's nice and bright in here. These are all set at 3,500, right? They're supposed to have set them all at 3,500. Oh, this is nice in here. Just in case you don't want the bright light. Aren't those lights cool? Neat. In the bedroom. Oh, those are nice.
Then the bonbon lights.
And there's our toilet lights. So you can come in here at night and not have to turn the big lights on. Ooh, we got the outside lights. Oh, that's gonna be neat sitting out there at night. And we got our zero entry shower all ready to go for tile. Someone needs some batteries. And got the niches over on this side so you don't see all that stuff on the back wall. So they're out here grading today. Got that pretty flat over here. And then on the front of the house, got that spread out a little bit more. Now we're getting a little bit of a front yard. Oh, apparently that's where the propane tank is going to go. So we met our neighbor. He came over to see us. So it was really nice to meet him. And Davey slowed down for a minute. I'll explain what's going on here. He cleared all his trees. The house is going to be up front here because he wants to be able to see Yona Mountain. Way in the back on the left, which is hard to see, he's going to have a huge garden. I like people with gardens. That's cool. And he also is going to have a workshop same size as Dave's, maybe a little bit bigger. And his is going to go back here in his back right corner. So his workshop will not be up next to our property. He's moving ahead. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.